Okay, dear. Let's start the today's topic. So today we'll discuss last topic of today's chapter. Later on we summary of the chapter. So last topic setting a agenda. So yesterday we have discussed about the media and democracy, and today we'll discuss about setting agenda. Means what do you mean by the setting a agenda? In setting a agenda means it is decided by the media what should be issues or news should be focused on front page or which stories should be covered up by the media. So it is set by the media, that is known as the setting agenda. Now take an example, if in your Chittor, if anyone celebrity may be visiting anyone school, so such news may be published on the front page of newspaper, and thousands of people are suffering daily by safe drinking water facility. Whatever problem faced by the poor people or maybe the citizens, so media focus the such story which are beneficial, which increase their TRP rate compared to the whatever problem faced by the ordinary citizens in their daily life. So that is the setting agenda. Suppose anyone person so maybe held inside your towns or city. So such news maybe comes on the front page of newspaper. So why? Because to earn publicity, and such news may be covered by the media, which may be beneficial for them. So that is the setting agenda, or this is known as the setting agenda. They set the such agenda which is such news may be published by the media, which popularize the such news channel or increase their TRP rate, and they ignore the such issues which are important in democracy. Our people are facing problem. What are their different problem? So the media ignore that issues, or media focus the such issues which increase their TRP. So this is means the setting agenda. And another one, balance report. Yesterday we have discussed the media should be publish the balance report, or when media can publish the balance report, when medias are independent. Means no one can interfere it, no one powerful or any such persons who has the muscle power, money power, जिसके पास पैसा है, approach है, तो such person may be, if accessible till to the news channels, so they may be affect the what should be coverage or not. So in such way, media become independent when they are freely to work. There is no such censorship on media. Censorship should be on that those issues may be hurt our constitutions, our society, our citizen. So dear student, now we have completed the chapter. In this chapter, we have discussed the following topic: media. So today, I will summarize the all the topic. What is the media? Media and technology, media and money, media and democracy. What is the mass media? What is the independent media? What is the set agenda? And what are the censorship and key terms, important key terms of that chapter. Okay. So now we are going to start summary of that chapter. So dear student, you know media. What is the media? Media is the plural form of the word medium. We describe the various ways through the which communicate the society. So media is communicate the society with the medium. A medium may be newspaper, medium may be radio, medium may be television, कुछ भी हो सकता है. That is known as the media, which communicate the society. Next topic is media and technology. So technology is required for updation. So life without media is difficult. Why life is without media is difficult? Because without media, we don't know what is going on in our country. We don't know about any product. We don't know about what government doing, what decisions are government taking for us. So without media, life is difficult. Cable TV and internet are recent phenomena. Both print media means the newspaper and electronic media means radio and television play important role in social change. Through the date, electronic media, print media, public know about their rights. Public know about what government are doing for them. Through this, they can choose the government during the elections. When the elections are held in regular intervals, through the media, through the news, through the print and electronic media, we know about what is going on, how to our leaders taking decision for us. So this is the role of media, or media play the important role in social changes. Today, social changes means we are changing. Please, so media play the important role. Or changes in technology or machine help the media to reach the more people. Earlier time it was difficult to live coverage, live telecast. By help of technology, by help of the tools, it is easy to accessible such remote area. Earlier time cameras are required, their assistant are required, their tools are required. But today through the mobiles, till they can maybe approach till remote areas by help of technology. Nothing is required. They maybe carry their mobiles and recording, or they maybe record their whatever news or issues in that area, or they may be telecast. So through the technology, it is easy for them. Third, television as think ourselves as the members of the global people. Today, without televisions, our life is means we can say in other words our life is best problem. We know television is the source of entertainment. Television is the source of knowledge. Television is the source of how do we take the decision where we can invest our income. Through this we know it is the responsibility of media at a present and fair balance report. So it is the duty of media to provide the balance report and fair report. Whatever truth should be present in front of public by media. So it is the duty of media to present what is the reality. Yet independent media means no one should control and infuse the coverage of media. Whatever story coverage by the media, so it should be not a interference by interfere by any one person, maybe political leader, maybe businessman, anyone. No one should be interfere their coverage. If their coverage not interfered by anyone, so they able to coverage what is going on, what is the fake, what are the true story, what is the reality in front of public. So that is the role of media and technology. Next one topic is we have discussed media and money. So different technology are required. So much expensive, we know very well. That's require the money because due to the expensive tools, money is required. So in studio, if you see need the different tools like a camera is required, satellite charges are required, computer, light, sound, all the things are required. So a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. To meet this cost, it is needs money for a media. So media is come to cover by the big corporate, corporate or big houses, big businessmen, and media. Therefore, they are earning through the advertisement. So advertising are tools raise the revenue. It is the revenue sources for business houses for media. So how do they organize money through the advertisement and to purchase their expensive item. So third topic is clear. Next one, media and democracy. So media plays a very important role in democracy about discussing the different events, what are the going on inside the country and the world. News story of media inform people about events of the countries, important ways people can take participate, important issues through the organize the public protest or meeting. What is the public protest? We'll discuss. Public protest when a public want to protest themselves by the against any issues by holding the rallies by chakka jam, by road blocking. So this is known as the public protest. So you know when the public started the protest against any issues, against any institution, against government, so it coverage by the media. That is known as the public protest. So in democracy, dear, media play the important role, or in democracy, how do we know about our rights? How do we know about our government? How, what are the decisions are taking our political leaders? We know through the only media. So media also play important role in deciding which story to focus on or not regarding that. By focusing on particular issues, influence the shape of thoughts, set the media also set agenda. We have discussed today. Set agenda means what stories should be print on the front page, what stories should be at backside pages, what stories should be at the last pages. So it is decided by the media. So media play very important role in our life also, in our issue, working of the government. So whatever product we should be purchased or not, it is maybe through the advertisement. When we see the advertisement, so we can decide if such product are good for us. So through this, we can decide our life standard or life. Freedom of expression should be given to the media, report, events. Freedom of expression means your freedom to express your idea. So we should be given that right to the media, or we are given. So when such rights may be given, or maybe when their freedom of expression should be not affected by anyone, so they able to coverage the true story. So media is the plural form we have discussed here. Next one, what is the mass media? So you know television, news channels, different news channels, computer, email, radio, print media. These are the means today's they are able to approach entire country or world means the mass of population, their access is the till mass of population. That's why this is known as the mass media. Mass means the a large size. That is known as the mass media. Independent media means what? Independent media means the when media are independent. It not interfered by anyone, by any political leader, by any such officers, by any such businessman. So in such way, when a media may be independent, no one can interfere the media. So they are able to cover the whatever fact, whatever true story, and media should be covered such stories. Those are not earning sources maybe, but there should be play the important role in our democracy. Means whatever problem faced by our local people, poor people who are living in slum bastis, jugis, so media should be try to cover the such story. But such stories only coverage by the local media. Local media coverage the such story or some new some such publisher who are making the documentary film. So those who are making a short film or documentary film, so they also coverage the such story. So we should be coverage the ground level story. We should be try to coverage ground level story. But media coverage the who is visiting anyone celebrities or fashion show is going on or not. So such stories are covered by because you know media is earning through the advertisement only. You know revenue sources are advertisement. So media should be try to focus such stories which may be play the important role in democracy. Share the agenda we have discussed. What is the censorship? Censorship, following key term, we'll discuss in this chapter. So, dear student, in this chapter we are going to discuss the few key terms. First, media. You know very well what is the media. So, media is the refer to all means of communication, everything ranging from the phone to the television. Yani those who are communicating to the people. Suppose where you are going or where you are visiting any place or like this, so you are informing your parents, your relative, your friend through the phone. So phone is also part of media, means the communication. So when we communicate to each other, that or by which device
मम्मा
we are connecting, that is known as the
मिठाई रखनी है क्या?
media. Public protest, I am repeating, when people
रहने दो ना।
actually state their opposition on the some issues by organizing the rally, by starting the signature campaign, by road block or like this is known as the public protest. Please mute your mic, dear.
मिठाई में लड्डू
Next one, what is the balance report here? We have discussed balance report means the a balance report is the one of the discussed all point views of particular stories and all point of a particular story. It means the when we focus any story by media, so we should be use all the point कि if such decisions may be taken by government after focusing or after telecasting or after when we telecast the news, so it will means that those people who are working in such institution, factories or anyone, so they may be affected or not. So all views should be coverage or maybe the discussed by media before publishing any story. So that is the balance report. Or in this book there is the one nice story is given related to a factory, crackers factory. What is the censorship? Censorship is the government has the power to disallow the media to publishing or showing the certain stories. This known as the censorship. But when a government maybe ban the such stories or such scene or such coverage, when government maybe feel is such stories may be violated anyone community, maybe violated anyone dignity, maybe violated our nation. So such story may be banned by the government, that is known as the censorship. Setting agenda we have discussed already, फिर भी I am repeating. One of the important functions of media is decide the what stories should be focused or not. So it is decided by the news agencies and this often said to the media set agenda what should be covered or not. Last one is the local media. It means the small issues covered up by the local media, and these stories are daily lives based story. Daily lives means the what are the daily lives going on. So media should be try to cover up the daily life of people. Daily life means the not a what I am doing all day. No. Daily life means the what are the problems faced by the those who are living in such area. What are the issues faced by the living in the such areas. So this such story are covered by the local media only. But whatever major problem for local media is the less income resources, less income resources. That's why their newspaper is running like a fortnight or maybe the weekly, like saptah mein ek baar or 15 days mein. So due to the income sources, so local media is playing the important role because local media know about their local people. Whatever decision taken by local government, their surrounding any elected member, so they know their interest or those media channel like Aaj Tak, Republic, News India, 24 like. So these reporters, they don't know about what is the reality in Chittor. So how they cover up the reality or real story about the Chittor. They are sitting there, set up their institution or their offices inside the metro cities. So they don't know about it. Whatever stories covered by the other channels, they maybe take the stories of that area. Okay, but you know that is, we have discussed only one point. But what are the another issues? Ki due to our population size or country size is larger, that's why they are able to cover up the whole stories from the east to west and north to south. It is difficult for them. I agree, but they should be trying to do it. So, dear student, now we have completed this chapter, media, meaning of media, role of media, how the medias are run, where there are income sources or revenue sources, okay, or how the media play the important role in the democracy. But what are the some negative or maybe the demerits of media? Media set the agenda. Media maybe publish the such advertisements that are not good for society. Like this. So all the topics we have discussed now. NCRT solution I will post on your WhatsApp group, dear student. And now, if you have any doubt, you may be asked or you may be sent your message on my personal WhatsApp group. Ah, so it will be different. अब देखो listen how it is different. Okay, this is suppose it depend on the what are the news is going on. Okay, suppose there is the India Pakistan match. वर्ल्ड कप मैच है जस्ट एग्जांपल इंडिया पाकिस्तान वर्ल्ड कप मैच है ओके अब दे नो वेरी वेल बिजनेसमैन और आर द मींस द ओनर्स ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट ओके बिजनेस हाउसेस दे नो कि मींस द मिलियन ऑफ पीपल विल बी वॉच द दिस मैच अब व्हाट इज व्हेन दे वांट टू पब्लिश देयर एडवर्टाइजमेंट वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट when they want to publish their advertisement, when a million of people maybe watch their advertisement. So during the match, when they advertise, give the advertise, so their cost will be higher compared than the rest of days. So it depends on the what stories, what news is going on. Suppose any sensitive news or maybe such high story or maybe the top stories is going on, so such advertisement charges may be higher. During the midnight, charges will be less. So it depends on that. Or sometimes there is the agreement between the advertisement and news channel for a monthly or yearly advertisement. If suppose we will pay the 500 crore rupees or for a year, like so it depends on their agreement. It depends on the what story they are cover up or what story they are telecasting. So their advertisement rate will be different.